Oh, hey guys, I'm back. And today I'm going to share with you a nice way of adding Wise as a payment option on your store. And this is a problem that I'm having because, of course, I do have PayPal and Stripe, and PayPal is giving me a really hard time. And I decided to add a new way of paying, and Wise appeared as a good solution. And this is what I'm doing, but I must automate as much as possible. And I found a workaround on SpreadSimple. The thing is that at first I thought that I could use the ECA, the external checkout feature, but it doesn't work like this because it's more intended to connecting SpreadSimple with like payment processors like public subscription and others. And I didn't try that, although I have public subscription, but I found a workaround, a nice workaround to process Wise payments on my shop. And this is what I'm going to share with you now. This is my shop, and what I did, I went to checkout settings, and I added here on payments uh, a new option that I call it Wise for sure. And what I selected was the cash on delivery option. And how it works, every time someone orders something from me on SpreadSimple, I have this workflow running on Pabbly, and it captures the order information coming from SpreadSimple webhooks. And here's a ton of information. Then I play with dates and time formatting just to make it more organized, and I register it on a Google Sheet and also on a noisy channel where I concentrate all my sales information. And this is where the magic begins, because if the payment method selected by the buyer was Wise, this workflow will keep going. And what it does, it gets the sales amount, the total amount of the purchase, and add the value, which is this 93 here, because I'm giving 7% of discount. And then I'm adding, maybe this is called a sort. This is a random value between 1 and 50 cents. And I'm doing it because I have another webhook running to capture every time someone deposits money on my Wise account, so I can track every single purchase done using Wise. And since Wise does not give you information regarding email or name of the buyer, they have this privacy thing running. The only thing I can be sure that I'll get is the value deposited. And this is how I'm tracking this. But after that, what I do, I built a nice email guiding my buyer on how to complete the purchase. So I'm saying here, hey Felipe, in this case, I was testing, but hey Bruno, to complete your order using Wise and save 7%. So here I explicit the amount of discount that he will have. Make a Wise transfer of this amount in US dollars to my account. And once the transaction is confirmed, I'll contact you to process delivery. And this is it. And now I'm going to show you how this works. So, for example, if someone decides to buy native forms and web and hockey stack and niches, he would fill the information here and select Wise and click here on Pay using Wise. And once that's done, Pabbly will run the workflow and deliver this email to me as a buyer. So this is the email I get as a shop owner. This is the order that is sent by SpreadSimple to the buyer with the list of things. And the email is pretty simple. It's hi, whatever the name is, complete your order paying using Wise and save 7%. And this is the explicit amount um, of discount and the final value. And to do so, complete your wise transfer of this amount of value in dollars to my account. As soon as the transaction is confirmed, I'll contact you in delivery. And this is where I sit and wait for the transfer to come. Then the other workflow on Pabbly will be triggered and notify me that the payment was completed. And well, guys, that's it. I hope this helps you in some way. Take care. All the best.